I wish I caught this one the other day. Little shoebox, totally. Pretty sure it's a shoebox. I mean, this thing's modified to the nth degree. Looks like the caddy bumpers, of course, the Corvette grille, Frenched hood. I love that scoop. Nicely done. Ah. The antenna's Frenched, reverse hood. Look at that. Chopped. Push button. This is done so nicely. Now I really want to show you, you can see a lot of the blends in the work, but the overall effect is fantastic, fantastic. I want to show you this. Look at the fins going back. I love the intake. These skirts are brilliant, but you could see really what goes on there, how they're attached and made. I like those Mercury lenses blending in. Look at this effect. Wild cherry. Now this car's already sold. And look at the way how the Conti kit was actually recessed in by using the fins coming back. Is that nice? I like that a lot. You can see the work. A lot of work in there. There's the gas over there. Just beautiful. This top is chopped down, and again you can see the skirts. I am not sure what the donor car was. And again, it's sold, so I don't want to climb up on the trailer, but I had to share this with y'all because this is really, this is the way Kustoms were. This is a magazine car. This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2020 Fall Carlisle doing a swap meet safari. For more cool events like this, make sure you check NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com, and while you're there, post and share your events. I'll see you at the shows.